Are you having trouble getting CapCut templates to show up in TikTok? Don't worry, I've got you covered. In this video, I'll show you how to quickly and easily fix this issue so that those templates are visible again. I'll go through the steps one by one so that you can get back to creating content in no time. So make sure to watch this video until the very end to learn how to fix the CapCut template missing from TikTok. To get started, open up the Apple App Store or Google Play Store and search for TikTok. After that, you want to make sure you are using the latest version of the app. If you are not using the latest version and have an update available, go ahead and update your app. You need the latest version of the TikTok app to use all of the features that TikTok has to offer. Another thing is that updates fix bugs and glitches in the app, and the whole reason why you are missing CapCut templates might be a bug or a glitch in the app, and updating should fix that issue. Once you've updated your app, go ahead and open it, and you should be good to go. One thing to keep in mind is that if you're watching videos that don't contain any CapCut templates, it won't prompt you to try them. You can find videos that use those templates by tapping on the search icon at the top right and searching for CapCut. And now you'll see a lot of videos that use CapCut templates. So go ahead and tap on any one of these videos and then tap on the CapCut Try This Template button and then select Use Template in CapCut. And it will open up that specific template in the CapCut app. So if you don't have CapCut installed on your device, simply get it from the App Store or Play Store. After that, tap on Use Template. And now all you have to do next is select photos or videos from your gallery. After you've added them, tap Preview. And CapCut will create a video for you, which you can then share on TikTok or Instagram. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.